Welcome to Lavanya's computer classes. In this video, I will explain overview of a Java program. So, what is the total view of a Java program? Java is actually a OOP language, OOP, object-oriented programming language. C++ is also an example of OOP, object-oriented programming language. But C++ is known as partial object-oriented language. C++ is partial object-oriented programming language. Java is fully object-oriented programming language. What is the meaning of partial or fully? C++, in the name only it knows C++, it is extension of C language. So, C is a structured oriented programming, POP language or SOP, structured oriented programming or procedural oriented programming. C++ is object oriented programming, but C is coming from C. Extension of C is known as C++, but C is a structured oriented programming. So that means C++ is the combination of C plus extra. That means it contains, C++ contains the properties of SOP as well as OOP also. Structured oriented programming concepts and some are object oriented programming concepts. That's why C++ is called as partial OOP, partial object oriented programming language. This is not totally full object oriented programming language. But whenever we coming to Java, Java is developed newly. So in this Java, whenever you are developing Java, we are using totally object oriented programming concepts. That's why Java is fully object oriented programming and C++ is partial object oriented programming. So now I will explain what is the overview of a Java program. Whenever we are developing Java program, there are two types of Java programs we have. We have to develop two types of Java programs. One is standalone. One is standalone or simple application Java program. Standalone program or simple application program, and second one is internet application programs. Internet applications and are it called as applet programs. So using Java we are developing two types of programs. So what type of programs are using means either simple application programs, that is called as standalone, or we are applied internet application programs, those are called as applet programs. So this is the types of programs. Now I will draw the diagrammatic representation. So first one is any program written in Java language, that is called as Java source code. Java source code. So in this Java source code, already I said there are two types of programs are there. One is simple application or standalone. Second one is internet application programs or applet programs. Two types of programs are there. Now, whatever the program is there, either it is simple program or internet program, we have to compiling the program. For compiling, we require compiler. Compiler we need it. After compiler, it is converted into bytecode. This is the special feature of Java. After compiling the program, either it is a simple program or internet program, after compiling it is converted into bytecode. After that, depending upon this, if it is a standalone program, we need interpreter. We need interpreter to run the program. If it is a standalone simple application program, we need an interpreter. If it is an internet application, that means it is an applet program. If it is an applet program, we need web browser. We need web browser. Java enabled web browser. Java enabled web browser, we need it. So after that it gives output. It is also gives the output. So this is called as overview of a Java program. See, What is the Java program? Overview of Java programming. There are two types of programs are there. One is a standalone program. It is also called a simple program, or internet-based application program. It is called as applet. So whatever it is, any program, any source code program is compulsory converted into machine level language, that is compiler. But Java is a special feature. It is not converted directly machine code. First depends upon either it is simple standalone or internet application using compiler. First it is converted into bytecode. After converting in the bytecode, depending upon the program, it is a standalone program means we need interpreter. If it is an applet program is internet program. Already we know all internet programs are working on web browsers. It is an internet program, we need web browser. Which type of web browser? Java enabled web browser, we need it. So after converting, compiling is over, interpreter over is, then it displays the outputs. So this is called as overview of a Java program. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, like it and share it. Thank you.